The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Highland County, western Pike County, northern Adams County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Belfast, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Peebles. In addition, Mayhill, Sinking Spring, Serpent Mound, Smoky Corners, Locust Grove and Poplar Grove are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.